Hello guys, I will be eating this spicy. It's called jam pork, and today my mom gonna cook it for me. So while waiting, uh, we will just wait for the water to cook because it says don't cook in the microwave. So you're just gonna watch me, guys. I'm back and it's cooked. So now we're gonna eat it, and this time no milk inside. So let's mix it first. This is supposed to be spicy, so that's not spicy. Definitely not, okay? It's light work, no reaction. This easy, guys. And we're done. No more.